If you want to delete your Chrome search history quickly, this video will show you the easiest way to do it on both Windows and Mac. Clearing your search history is useful if you want to protect your privacy, clean up your browser, or simply remove old searches you no longer need. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Now, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you can use a very fast keyboard shortcut to get to the Clear Browsing Data menu. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This shortcut opens the browser window where you can choose exactly what data you want to remove. After the menu appears, look for the option called Browsing History and make sure it is selected. In some cases, Chrome may already have it checked, but it's always a good idea to confirm before you continue. If you only want to delete search history and not other saved data, take a moment to review the other options as well so you don't remove anything you want to keep. Next, choose the time range you want to clear. If you want to remove everything, select All Time. If you only want to delete recent searches, you can choose a shorter time range instead, like the last hour, the last day, or the last week. For most people who want a full cleanup, All Time is the best option. Once you've selected browsing history and chosen the correct time range, click the Clear Data button. Chrome will now begin deleting the selected history from your browser. Depending on how much data you have stored, this may take a few seconds. When the process is finished, your Chrome search history will be deleted. That means the search and browsing entries you selected are now removed, helping keep your browser cleaner and more private. If you ever want to repeat this process in the future, just use the same shortcut again and follow the same steps. It's a quick habit that can save time and help you stay organized. So to recap, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows or Command plus Shift plus Delete on Mac. Select Browsing History, choose your time range, and click Clear Data. That's all it takes to delete Chrome search history. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one.